Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can close access to an app on your iPhone. It's really cool. No one can go into your Instagram app except you. And as soon as someone clicks on it, they will ask for either a passcode or Face ID. So how do you do that? There's a really cool trick. You'll need the app you want to close, and you'll need to download an application called Shortcuts. We already have it automatically installed. It's an Apple app. But if you accidentally uninstalled it, go to the App Store and download the Shortcuts app where we have all the apps. Now you open this app. Now here you click on Shortcuts, and here you click on Edit. Here you click on Add Action. You click on Search. And here you type in lock screen, and then in scripting, lock screen. Click on it. Click done. That's it. We don't need anything else here. Now click on automation. Click on plus. Here we click on search, and in the search, just type in app. We've got app. We open this item. Here we click on as opened. Choose run immediately. We press the choose button. And in the search or just from the list, choose the application to which we want to restrict access. For example, I'm going to write Instagram. Choose, press bone. That's it. Press next. Now select lock screen here, or you can click on my shortcuts and select lock screen here. That's it. We're done. Now exit. Click on Instagram. And as you can see, my screen locks. If I want to go to Instagram, I just have to provide my Face ID and I have Instagram open. Very cool feature. Not many people know about it, so try doing it, you'll do just as well. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.